In this video, we listed the 5 best nylon 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Qidi Tech X Plus. An excellent offering from Qidi Technology. Our breakdown of the best printers for nylon wouldn't be complete without mentioning the Qidi Tech X Plus. Versatility acts as a cornerstone of what the Qidi Tech X Plus is all about, chiefly thanks to dual interchangeable extruders. Their basic extruder hit temperatures up to 260 degrees Celsius, ideal for your PLA, ABS, TPU, and PETG projects. But for nylon printing, the other cranks up the heat to 300 degrees Celsius. This duality also extends to the double-sided print bed with different adhesive qualities on each surface. One side is designed for your standard filaments, flip it over to use temperature-sensitive materials like nylon. Another central selling point is the Qidi Tech X Plus enclosed chamber and air filtration system, which go the extra mile compared to other similar nylon-capable 3D printers. The chamber helps reduce printing errors by maintaining a stable thermal environment, vital when working with nylon and ABS. On the whole, would say the Qidi Tech X Plus provides an excellent solution for semi-professionals in the market for a versatile nylon-capable printer. It's affordable and has features generally reserved for the price rung above. Number 2. Prusa i3 MK3S Plus. The original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is the latest iteration of Prusa's award-winning 3D printers, designed for reliability and ease of use. This assembled and tested printer comes with a US power supply and an 8GB SD card, making it ready to use right out of the box after a simple initial calibration. It features fully automatic mesh bed leveling, a built-in IR filament sensor with auto-loading capabilities, and a pause function when filament runs out, ensuring seamless printing experiences. Equipped with high-quality components like genuine Gates belts, Bondtech drive gears, and the EINSY Rambo motherboard, the MK3S Plus is a dependable 3D printing workhorse. Additionally, it includes a free sample of Prusa PLA filament and is backed by lifetime technical assistance and 24-hour professional customer service from Prusa Research. Number 3. Dremel 3D45. The Dremel 3D45 3D printer kit is a high-quality, award-winning 3D printer recognized with the PC Mag 2018 Editor's Choice Award and is a Google for Education partner. It features a removable glass build plate that can be heated up to 100 degrees Celsius and a durable all-metal nozzle capable of heating up to 280 degrees Celsius, ensuring precise and reliable printing. The printer is equipped with a 5-inch full-color touch screen with user-friendly icons, allowing for easy setup and operation, enabling users to start printing within 15 minutes of unboxing. Its fully enclosed, sturdy ABS plastic design enhances safety and minimizes warping during printing, with a build volume of 6.7 inches by 10 inches by 6 inches. Additionally, the printer includes built-in carbon and particulate filters for improved air quality. Compatible with Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, and Mac OS X, version 10.9 or later, the Dremel 3D45 is a versatile and reliable tool for various 3D printing needs. Number 4. Qidi Tech X Plus. Looking for a versatile 3D printer? The Qidi Tech X Plus is your answer, catering to all your printing needs. With its dual extruder setup, you get Extruder A for common materials like PLA and ABS, while Extruder B handles high temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, allowing you to work with a wide array of filaments, including nylon and carbon fiber. What's more, the X Plus boasts a unique feature, a double-sided, flexible metal printing plate that perfectly complements the swappable extruders. However, you must be cautious in choosing the plate side to prevent bed adhesion problems. Mounting filaments are also flexible, with an external top loader for general materials and an internal holder for dry nylon printing. True to its name, the X Plus offers a generously sized print chamber, ensuring both speed and efficiency in conjunction with its heated printing bed. This enclosed chamber also incorporates an air filtration system, minimizing fumes and allowing you to house the printer in your room without disturbance. Yet, the one drawback lies in user support. The documentation's English quality and online resources can be inconsistent. Priced under $1,000, the Qidi large size X Plus stands as a remarkable option, particularly excelling in nylon printing, earning its title as the best overall 3D printer in its category. Number 5. FLASHFORGE 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventura 3 stands as a fully enclosed 3D printer, intentionally crafted for user-friendliness and accessibility, mainly targeted at those new to the world of 3D printing. Its user interface is remarkably intuitive, complemented by a robust array of features that deliver exceptional value for your investment. One of the key highlights of the Adventura 3 lies in its adaptable nozzle system, enabling you to seamlessly transition from the default nozzle configuration to a high-temperature alternative reaching up to 265 degrees Celsius. This enhancement facilitates the printing of materials such as ABS, PETG, PC, and nylon. By incorporating a heated print bed and enclosed environment, the printer upholds a consistently stable temperature, markedly enhancing the precision of prints. Further improving its usability are the automatic filament loading mechanism, built-in camera, and remote monitoring functionality. These attributes profoundly enrich the overall experience, particularly for beginners, facilitating effective and secure utilization of the 3D printer. In its entirety, the FLASHFORGE Adventura 3 constitutes a compelling offering, available at an affordable sub-$400 price point. It emerges as an ideal choice for newcomers and enthusiasts seeking a dependable 3D printing solution capable of effectively handling nylon filament without straining their budget.